Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Grand Voyager Edition is not just a motorhome. It is a rolling masterpiece that transforms the concept of travel into something extraordinary. Built on the legendary foundation of the Kenworth T-2000 platform, this Grand Voyager Edition represents power, prestige, luxury, and long-distance dominance in a way few vehicles ever could. It blends the bold DNA of a heavy-duty American truck with the refined comfort of a high-end luxury residence, creating a machine designed for those who refuse to settle for ordinary road trips. This is for the dreamers who think bigger, travel farther, and demand absolute excellence in every mile, from the moment you see it approaching on the highway. The presence of the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Grand Voyager Edition is undeniable. The extended aerodynamic hood, sculpted side panels, towering stance, and commanding grille create an image of authority and sophistication. It carries the unmistakable spirit of Kenworth's engineering heritage while introducing a refined, modernized exterior crafted specifically for luxury travel. Chrome accents blend seamlessly with contemporary LED lighting systems. The aerodynamic refinements reduce drag despite its grand scale, ensuring that performance and efficiency work together rather than compete. This motorhome doesn't simply arrive, it makes an entrance that captures attention and commands respect from everyone who witnesses it passing by. Under the hood lies a powerhouse, engineered for long-haul endurance. The Grand Voyager Edition is built to handle cross-country journeys with effortless strength. Its heavy-duty diesel engine delivers immense torque, allowing it to glide across highways, conquer steep inclines, and maintain stable cruising speeds without strain. Unlike traditional RVs that sometimes feel overwhelmed by their own size, this machine feels confident and composed. The transmission is tuned for smooth gear transitions, ensuring both power and refinement. Whether traveling through open desert highways or navigating mountain terrain, the performance remains consistent and reassuring. The engineering behind this motorhome reflects decades of Kenworth's commitment to building vehicles that can withstand the most demanding conditions while delivering uncompromising reliability. Step inside, and the transformation from road titan to luxury sanctuary becomes immediate. The cabin is a masterclass in intelligent design and high-end craftsmanship. Every inch is optimized to provide maximum comfort without sacrificing functionality. Premium leather seating, soft-touch surfaces, custom wood paneling, and polished metal accents create an environment that feels closer to a five-star suite than a motorhome. Ambient LED lighting gently illuminates the interior, setting the perfect mood whether driving at night or relaxing after a long day of travel. The attention to detail is evident in every stitch, every surface, and every carefully considered design choice. The living area is spacious and carefully structured to offer both openness and privacy. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light during the day and offer breathtaking views of landscapes at sunset. Plush reclining seats face a large entertainment display, creating a perfect space for movie nights or relaxation. The seating converts seamlessly into additional sleeping areas when needed, ensuring that guests or family members always have comfortable accommodations. This versatility makes the Grand Voyager Edition ideal for extended trips with loved ones or spontaneous adventures where flexibility matters most. Point one of the standout features of the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Grand Voyager Edition is its fully integrated luxury kitchen, designed for travelers who appreciate fine dining even on the road. The kitchen includes a premium induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, residential-style refrigerator, and deep stainless steel sink. Granite or quartz countertops provide ample space for meal preparation. Storage is intelligently integrated throughout, with soft-close cabinets and hidden compartments maximizing organization. Cooking in this motorhome feels effortless, whether preparing a quick breakfast before departure or hosting a dinner under the stars. The kitchen proves that road travel no longer requires sacrificing culinary pleasures or settling for simple meals. The master sleeping suite is a private retreat designed for total relaxation. A king-sized bed with premium cushioning ensures restful sleep after long days of exploration. Surrounding cabinetry provides generous storage for clothing and personal items. Soft reading lights and USB charging ports enhance convenience. Sound insulation ensures a quiet, peaceful environment regardless of external conditions. The layout is designed to offer privacy while maintaining an open, airy atmosphere. Waking up in this bedroom feels like beginning each day in a boutique hotel, regardless of where the motorhome is parked. The bathroom in the Grand Voyager Edition rivals many luxury apartments. It features a full-size shower with glass enclosure, temperature-controlled water system, modern vanity sink, illuminated mirror, and efficient yet spacious toilet system. Water storage and management systems are engineered for extended off-grid travel, allowing adventurers to explore remote areas without sacrificing daily comforts. The attention to detail in plumbing, storage, and materials reflects Kenworth's commitment to quality. Every fixture and finish is chosen to combine durability with aesthetic appeal, creating a bathroom experience that feels genuinely luxurious. Technology integration elevates the entire experience. A central touchscreen control panel allows users to manage lighting, climate, battery systems, water levels, and security features. Advanced infotainment provides navigation, connectivity, entertainment streaming, and smartphone integration. Built-in Wi-Fi capability makes the Grand Voyager Edition ideal for digital entrepreneurs or remote workers who want to blend productivity with adventure. Solar panel systems and high-capacity battery storage reduce dependency on external power sources, supporting sustainable and independent travel. This technological sophistication means that owners can venture far from traditional campgrounds while maintaining all the conveniences of modern living. Safety is engineered into every component of the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Grand Voyager Edition. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation systems, and 360-degree camera views for easier maneuvering. The reinforced chassis ensures structural stability, while enhanced braking systems provide reliable stopping power even under heavy loads. Long-distance driving feels secure and controlled, reinforcing confidence for drivers of all experience levels. These safety features transform potentially stressful driving situations into manageable experiences, allowing drivers to focus on enjoying the journey. Driving this motorhome is an experience unlike any other. Despite its impressive size, the suspension system absorbs road imperfections with surprising smoothness. The cabin remains stable even in crosswinds, thanks to intelligent aerodynamic shaping and balanced weight distribution. The elevated driving position offers commanding visibility of the road ahead, while ergonomic controls make long journeys less tiring. It feels powerful yet refined, a true blend of commercial truck strength and luxury touring comfort. The driving experience defies expectations, making even the longest highway stretches feel manageable and enjoyable. Storage capacity throughout the Grand Voyager Edition is extraordinary. Exterior compartments accommodate bicycles, outdoor furniture, camping equipment, and travel essentials. Slide-out storage trays improve accessibility. The retractable awning extends the living space outdoors, creating a shaded lounge area perfect for relaxing or social gatherings. Every feature is designed to enhance versatility and convenience. Whether embarking on a weekend getaway or a months-long cross-country adventure, there's ample space for everything needed to make the journey comfortable and memorable. Climate control systems ensure year-round comfort. Advanced heating keeps the interior warm in colder climates, while powerful air conditioning maintains cool temperatures in summer heat. Insulated walls and high-performance windows improve energy efficiency and noise reduction. The result is a consistently comfortable living environment regardless of location or season. This climate management capability means the Grand Voyager Edition performs equally well in snowy mountain passes and scorching desert valleys. Customization options allow owners to tailor the Grand Voyager Edition to their preferences. Interior color schemes, upholstery materials, cabinetry finishes, and technology packages can be selected to reflect individual tastes. Whether opting for a modern minimalist design or a rich, classic aesthetic, buyers can create a personalized mobile residence that aligns with their vision. This level of customization ensures that no two Grand Voyager editions are exactly alike, making each one a unique expression of its owner's personality and lifestyle preferences, beyond features and specifications. What truly defines the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Grand Voyager Edition is the lifestyle it enables. It empowers owners to escape limitations. Instead of planning vacations around hotels and strict schedules, they can create spontaneous journeys. Wake up overlooking mountain ranges, spend afternoons exploring national parks, and fall asleep beside peaceful lakes, all within the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. For families, it transforms travel into immersive bonding experiences. For couples, it offers romantic freedom and privacy. For solo adventurers, it provides independence and security. For content creators and entrepreneurs, it becomes a mobile studio and workspace with breathtaking backdrops. The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Grand Voyager Edition stands as a symbol of ambition and freedom. It bridges the gap between power and elegance, between engineering and artistry. It is not merely transportation. It is a declaration that the road belongs to those bold enough to claim it. Every mile traveled becomes a story, every destination becomes home, and every journey becomes unforgettable.